Refreshing your outdoor furniture not only revitalizes its look, but it also ensures they're ready to withstand summer heat and UV exposure. Try and keep your furniture under cover to protect from UV and rain, and if it's wooden, seal it, and if it's metal, keep it rust free. Now here's a quick tip before we kick off this video. If you've got plastic chairs, clean them with sugar soap and Hamilton's green scourer pads. It will keep them nice and clean, and the sugar soap is a safe solution to clean plastic chairs with. Now this is quite a popular table at a coffee shop, and look at it, it's got full of marks and stains because it hasn't been sealed in ages. So it's time to revamp this table. So how do we get the perfect finish? Well, it starts off with using the right tools for the job, and especially the brushes, and I'm using Hamilton's fiberglass range of brushes. It's a multi-purpose brush. I love these brushes for varnishes, for chalk paints, and so many other things. If there was a varnish on this table, you could use a paint stripper and Hamilton's decent scrapers with stainless steel blade. It will take that off quite easily, but this table hasn't been varnished. Whatever is left on that table is almost non-existent. We got a drop sheet, so important to keep everything that we're working on clean, and some mutton cloth for wiping down and applying a wood stain. Okay, so I did start out using Hamilton's 80 grit sandpaper, which comes in 1 meter and 5 meter rolls. If you've got big projects to do, you really got to start with a coarse paper. But I thought, let me get this job really on the go, and I brought along my orbital sander with a 60 grit disc. I tackled this table effortlessly, and we got it to the bay very quickly. So if you do have a sander, it is a huge help. Okay, so all the sanding's been done. Remember I told you use a drop sheet. I'm using Hamilton's 2x3 meter drop sheet. Now I'm going to apply this interior exterior wood stain, a wipe on wood stain. So this just, you could say, is a colorant for timber. Most important, wear rubber gloves. This stuff stains your fingers and it doesn't come out very easily. So always wear rubber gloves when applying wood stain. And you can apply more than once. You can wipe it on 2 or 3 times. Stop when you like the intensity. I've just wiped on one nice wipe coat, and now we've stained the wood, but now we want to keep it sealed and treated for the weather. And you could either go with an oil-based product like Timberlife satin wood, or a water-based sealant, which is quite a lot easier to work with, and it dries quick and it's non-yellowing. So water-based technology has grown in leaps and bounds, and I'm applying now the water-based varnish to the stained timber, concentrating on getting enough sealant, especially in the joints. And one can apply 3 coats within a day, just waiting an hour between each coat. Now that's the benefits of spring maintenance, knowing that your outdoor furniture pieces are well maintained and looking their best. And with Hamilton's, you always get that perfect finish.